Welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about crypto almost daily and all the latest news about crypto and where to make some money easily and fast. Not that fast, like we're not looking for pumps and dumps. We want something sustainable. So right now, Radix, I can't even pronounce it. This thing is such a beauty. This will be the new Solana. You don't want to miss this. And recently I found out that you can buy XRD on their website. Before I was using Gate.io or other exchanges. You can see here which exchanges has this on the market: KuCoin, Bitfinex, Gate.io. So if you want, you can buy there. But I feel like, why pay any fees for withdrawal if you want to buy memes later with their wallet? So I recommend go to CoinMarketCap, check out all the markets if you want, but otherwise just press the website here to be safe, or go to radixdt.com. When you press that link, you will come here. Up here you can press buy XRD. Scroll down and here you can use any currency that you wish to buy. Let's say I want to buy $100 of XRD, and then you can proceed and you can buy. So this is perfect because you don't need to go to any exchanges and pay for any withdrawal fees. Of course, you need a Radix wallet before that, but that's another topic. So this is the best way I found to buy directly from fiat. Other than that, you can also go to Astrolescent or any of these, I believe, but Astrolescent looks the best to my eyes. You can use Ethereum to bridge over to XRD, or Bitcoin or Solana, or any other crypto that you already have. So let's see here. Where is Solana? There you go. So you can press Solana and then you can send, let's say, 0.1 Solana. Oh, that's wrong. Let's see, 0.1. Yeah, 0.1 minimum 0.3, let's say, for example. Then it's gonna go through. So then you can connect your wallet and get your XRD through this method also, if you have some crypto on hand. And this is beautiful because, to be honest, I don't really like to pay extra fees when I already know that I'm gonna take out my XRD or crypto from the exchange, the CEX, Centralized Exchange. Why should I pay them some money to take my crypto out? This fee that I'm paying, I could put in my pocket. So this is a perfect opportunity to buy XRD while it's still cheap, while still nobody's talking about it. And this crypto will make millionaires. And it has so long to go up. This is such a good buy opportunity. You really don't want to miss out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, please. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.